So today is our grand opening of the Cat Compact store here in Cumming, Georgia. This is the first Cat Compact store in Georgia. It's actually the second Cat Compact store in existence. Really excited to launch this new brand with all these people coming out here to see it for the first time.
Today was all about meeting new customers, meeting our core customers as well, and showcasing our new facility for Cat Compact and the offerings that we have, the services we're going to be able to offer them in this area, and getting them hands-on with some machines.
A lot of our stores are either a rental store or a sales store, and so one of the things that Cat Compact does is it brings everything under one roof. And so when you come here to Cat Compact, you can buy, you can rent, you can get your machine serviced, you can buy all the parts that you need. And so we try to make it that one-stop shop where customer can come in and get everything they need right here in one place with people that they trust. Here in Cumming, we have 70 machines available for sale right now. In addition to that, we have a guarantee on uptime, keeping customers up and running 24 hours. When any repairs being taken place, it's a common repair. And then of course you get to combine the local relationships that they've built with their reps and the people here in Cumming at the store and in this area. When you combine that with the strength and the resources of Yancey and Caterpillar, we feel like it's a great combination. We're excited to open up this store here in Cumming. We're also excited to move into Covington and other markets down the line as we continue to expand the Cat Compact footprint here in Georgia.
So we're happy to be open here in Cumming, Georgia, the new Cat Compact facility. If any customers or anyone at all just wants to walk in, come grab a sales rep, grab me, grab anyone in the store and talk through machines that you may or may not want, look at a machine, get hands-on with the machine, talk financing options. By all means, come on out, join us, talk with us, and let's see if we can help you and your goals.